Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches. So, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a logo for a retail company. So let's get started. And you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and you can also sell this skill on social media pages. Go to websites related to niche and ask them about your services, and you can also target offline market and earn money as well. So uh, there are many opportunities. So the software we used in today's video for creating logo is Canva. So let's move towards Canva. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. You can easily learn it in some time. But if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech, go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist on Canva designing. So after watching the playlist, I surely say that you can know almost everything about Canva. So I click on create a design, and here I search for logo 500 by 500 pixels, and after that I click on element, and here I search for retail, and let's see, we have to choose some element. Yeah, so I like this one. It is a good element. So after that I placed a text and write here a name of retail shop, Zen Retails. It is a dummy information, so don't worry. The client will provide you his company name, and you have to make a logo according to it. That's good. Let's change the background color, and let's change font. Yeah, it's look good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.